Fresh food. It's a very good shop. Here you can purchase some produce, some vegetables, some fruits. Yeah, glad to be here. Thank you. Thank you for showing me around.
Thank you. Evet arkadaşlar görüyorsunuz İngiliz müşterilerimiz, Alman, İtalyan, internasyonal takılıyoruz artık. Artık böyle. Kannst du auch auf Italienisch eine Runde reden? Ich mache in TikTok rein. 1 Million Menschen sehen uns heute. So.
Forza Italia, forza Napoli.